Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I will show you the common data type in Python programming. So first off, I now going to show you the variable. So let's say I define this as person name equal to my name. So right here, this is called the variable. It is just like a place where to store the value that we assign it to. So it can be think of as a container that store the value. So this can be like a string or a number or some other data types. So for now, let me just quickly store this variable. Just to know that this is the string data type. It's wrapped with these double quotes, or it can be single quote as well. So right here, we have this data stored inside this variable, this container called person name. And normally in the Python programming, we usually define it as lowercase like this, person underscore age. But in some other languages, say React, we would normally just define something like this, person name with the capital letter right here with the second word. But in again, Python, we define it something like this. Alright, so now this is the first one. We store this value Hong inside this variable called person name. Now I want to print out this value. So to do that, just write print. And here I can just use this person name right here, right away. So now when I click on this run app, you can see that the value show the Hong right here. So what if I want to add something else in or before this text? So probably something like hello. And right here, we can't just click here. If you click that, you're gonna say that gonna see that the invalid syntax, because right here we have to combine these two strings together, like this string plus this variable that store the string data type. So to combine these two together or concatenate this value together, you have to add a plus symbol in between. So now let me just run again, and here you can see that it says hello Hong. And at the end of this text hello, you can just put like a space. So now let me run that again, and here we go. Right here it says like hello Hong. What if I want to put like exclamation mark behind here? Well, you can just do something similar to this one, but you can't just do it right away like this. So we have to concatenate another string value. So plus, and right here this is the exclamation mark. So now here we go. This is what we get. Okay, so now we print one value here, and what about the other one? So let's say I want to print something else in this case. So say Hong likes coding, and I'm going to print a few more. In this case, let's say Hong does not like playing games. One more right here. Probably say Hong is teaching Python programming. So something like this. And now let me click on this run button, and here we go. We can see all of this value. But one thing is that this is like the main purpose of using the variable. Because right here, say if you have like 10 of the word Hong, like the name Hong, you have to manually like go to each one of them and try to replace them with a new value or with a new name. So this is like the main purpose of using the variable. So now let me just quickly show you how to replace this. Again, just put like person name plus, and right here I can just get rid of this. And the same goes for this. Let me just copy and paste that one as well right here, and here it is. So now let me try to see the result again, and we get all of the same result. In So now say if I want to change this right away, Tom, and you can see that quickly right away we can get the result. So this is the main purpose that we can easily manage. We can just change one value in second and get the result in like a second as well. All right. So what are the next things? The next things that I'm going to show you is so say what if I want to probably right here I want to add another new person name. So I probably don't want to have like Tom again. So you can basically just define the same one, person name, and right here you can just say probably John. Click on the run button, and right here you can see that the first two lines right here we get hello Tom, Tom like coding, but underneath here once you define a new one, it's going to replace the Tom with this John value, which is it's override here. Okay, so this is the use of the variable in Python. And the next things I'm going to also show you again. So right here I can just keep here for now. Okay. So instead right here I'm going to show you another data type in Python. So another one would be, so say in this case person age. I'm going to define a value probably right here, say 20, and in print probably my brother or my sister age is plus the person age. Okay, so right here when I click on this run button, we can see that there's an issue right here. So what it say the only concatenate the string, not the int, into the string value. So right here, this is the value of int integer, stand like the data or the number value, but not the decimal point. That's the float. So that's different one. So this is the integer. It says that it cannot be concatenated into the string value. So for now, what are we going to do? We can just quickly change this back to the string value. Then we would be able to get the result that we want. Okay, so right here I can just get rid of this part for now, and I'm going to just quickly show you the pure integer. So when I click on this again, we get the result of saying this as 20. Okay, so the other one that I want to also show you, which is the common one, the Boolean value. So the Boolean, again, we would normally just define this as is underscore. It can be anything. It can be like male is male or is female, or in this case, I'm going to define this as is beginner. And here we can just assign a value. It can be false or it can be true, something like this. Okay, so once we have this, then we can just quickly print this one as well. So is beginner, when we print out this, we're going to see the value of true right here. So we use the Boolean value basically just to check whether it is true or not. So in case it can be used with the condition, it can be used like whether this person is basically a beginner who just started learning how to program. If it is true, then we want to print out something about this. If this is not the beginner user or beginner learner, then we want to print something else. So this is the purpose of using the Boolean. Okay, so now so far we have learned the basic about the string, also the integer, the number, and the Boolean, true or false. Okay, so what about the other things that I'm going to show you? I want to basically get the result right away, like just to show you the data type of each of this just to make sure that it's correct. So to do that, I want to right here print out the type of person name. I want to see the type of this. I want to know if this is actually string. Okay, so here you can see that it indicates that class right here, str stand for string. So this is string. The same goes to this one as well. So let's say print type person name, and here we get this is John. And what about the person age type? Person age. This time we get the value of this integer, and this one going to be the Boolean. So type inside this parenthesis, we get the value which is BOOL, bool, stand for Boolean. Okay, so now we look into three of these common data types, and I want to also show you a website where you can get a list of all available data types in the Python programming. So right here, this is the built-in data type. We have a lot more. So as you can see, we have string, we have integer, we have float, complex. So for the float value, so let's say right here, I'm going to add something else. It can be this time I would want to say height, probably 1.8 centimeter, 1.8. So in this case, I want to also change this to the person height, and I want to click on this. So here we can see that by just adding like a decimal point with the value behind this, we can see that it changed from integer to a float data type, and this is the value that it shows, which is 1.8. So this is how easy it is just to declare like a data type in the Python. We don't need to specify whether it is a float or whether it's like an integer or string. We can just store it directly in the variable. Okay, so next one, we have a lot more. We have list, we have range, we have the Boolean, which I just showed you, and this is the binary type. This is the type. This is it will just, when you run this, we just show that this is an integer, and there's a lot more example down here with this list and a lot more. We won't go in detail in this at the moment, but we will eventually in the future video. And that's pretty much it, guys, for this quick tutorial on the Python data type. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video.